My name is Rebekah Tauber. I am from Harrison, Arkansas, and I take the welding certification class at North Ark Technical Center. What inspired me to be a welder was the How It's Made TV series. I liked the welding that they did on there and I found it very interesting. I'm currently taking classes to get my technical certificate in TIG welding. When I complete my classes here, I hope to go out into either food industry or pipeline to continue my TIG work. When I first started at North Ark, it was actually kind of tough because I was the only female within the class, but I managed to push through and look through all that, and I'm getting a step closer to what I want to be every day. Throughout my junior and senior year in high school, North Ark helped me within getting enrolled into the welding classes so I can get the basics of what I needed in order for me to continue on with my welding education and pursue my dream of becoming a welder out in the real world.